In this video, we're going to investigate the following kind of a situation. We're going to let R be a ring with identity. So he's a ring with a 1. And we're going to let S be any ideal of R. Now, what I do know is that R mod S is a ring. So my question is, what, if anything, can we say about this ring? So what can we say about R mod S? Now what I want to do is I want to put my thinking cap on, and I want to realize that the hypothesis that R has a multiplicative identity is actually pretty important. We know that there is a 1 inside R that has the property that 1 times anything is equal to the anything, and it also has the property that A times the 1 is equal to A, and these are true for every element inside the ring. Now, that brings up the interesting question about what happens in R mod S. So I'm going to make a note that 1 plus S is an element of R mod S. And the question is does 1 plus S have any important properties? Well, look at this. If I pick any coset A plus S inside R mod S, then we get these computations. First of all, we have 1 plus S times A plus S is just going to be 1 times A plus S, but that's just going to be A plus S. This is definition of coset multiplication, and this is the definition of 1 inside the ring R. And we can compute going the other way as well. If I look at A plus S and I multiply that coset with the coset 1 plus S, that's going to be A times 1 as the representative plus S, and that's also going to be A plus S. And again, this is just the definition of 1 inside the ring R, and this one here is the definition of coset multiplication. But when we put these two things together, these two things say that this element here, 1 plus S, is behaving exactly the way a multiplicative identity would behave. In other words, what we've shown is that 1 plus S is a multiplicative identity in the quotient ring R mod S. In other words, what we've shown is the following lemma. So we have proved this lemma. Let R be a ring with identity. And let me make my notation just a little bit clearer. So R is going to be a ring with identity. Let S be any ideal inside R. Then R mod S is a ring with identity, and moreover, the 1 element in R mod S is nothing more than 1 plus S.